Leet code 36, valid Sudoku. Determine if a 9 by 9 Sudoku board is valid. Only the fields themselves need to be validated according to the following rules. Each row must contain the digits 1 through 9 without repetition. Same for columns and the sub boxes. Note, a Sudoku board partially filled could be valid, but is not necessarily solvable. Only the field cells need to be validated according to the mentioned rules. Okay, so we get an input like this, and we return true or false. Okay. Let rows. We're gonna create an array with a length 9. And that's gonna be equal to a new set, since it has to be 1 through 9 without repetition. And then we can actually duplicate this. Columns, and let's just say boxes. And then we have to do for row less than 9, row plus plus, and for column less than 9, column plus plus. First you do Go board, standard values here, and then we'll have a value that's going to be equal to board of C. And if the value is, what is it, a period, we can just continue. Otherwise, we need a box index. Let box index, one of these box indexes, like this sub boxes, that's going to be equal to math.floor, the row we're in, divided by 3, times 3 plus math.floor columns divided by 3. Okay, and then we check if rows of R has the value, or calls of C dot has value, or if boxes at the box index that we're currently in has value. And if it does, we can return false. Otherwise, rows of R dot add value, calls of C dot add value, and boxes at box index dot add value. And if it passes through everything, we can return true. Why do I have a bracket there? I'm crazy. Okay, now that we fixed all the typos. Awesome. And then we can do the same in Python. And we can do it like this in Python. Boxes, columns, for R in range 9, for C in range 9. If value equals board R, C, if value equals period, continue. We actually need to make this a set. What am I doing? Range 9. Oh, set. And then we calculate our box index equal to floor division plus floor division of the columns. And then if value in rows are or value in col C or value in boxes box index return false. Otherwise rows R dot add value, column C dot add value, and boxes box index dot add value. Return true and return false. Fix that. Boxes box. Right. And add a value. Huh? Oh, capital V. Okay. Awesome. Valid Sudoku. Wow. It's a very strange looking graph. Alright. Valid Sudoku. Done.